This is week, let's see, so this is the first day, and then I took this 1 week later, and I applied this bottle. And I just uploaded this video. Actually, I'm uploading it right now. And today, I'm taking one each week. Today is Sunday, so I try and shoot these on Sunday. Okay, so here we go. I will explain how to do it as I do it, just in case this is your first time. I'm not sponsored or anything by Alpha Infuse. I bought it with my own money. I'm starting to bald, as you can see, and I wanted to do something about it. Transplants were really expensive. You can go to the hospital. I'm disinfecting my hands right now, which is required in the process. You can go to the hospital and they'll give you some medication, but there's like side effects, which include ED, loss of libido. So want to avoid that, don't we? Okay, so here we go. First, we have to, and this is one thing I don't like about this, is you have to transfer the serum into these micro needle bottles. They want you to soak it, and I'd like to soak it, but getting like just a bottle of this alcohol is really expensive in Japan. So I just got these wipes. Okay, I think that's disinfected. And then you have to move. I should probably zoom out a little bit so it's easier to see what I'm doing. Now you have to move the serum to the needle bottle. I hope I don't get careless with my newfound confidence in transferring the serum. Seems okay. Yeah, they've got these little lips, so seems like they thought it all out. There's a little extra left inside, so I'm just kind of sprinkling it on my head, hoping it'll do something. Okay, after you've moved the serum, you put it like this, and they want you to warm it in your hands. Anyway, I think it's warm up. It's summertime here anyway. Okay, so I want to show you the before. This is how I'm looking. It's really hard. I wish I could mirror this camera. Oh, wait. Okay, I've got my iPad down here so I can see where I'm touching. All right, and I'll show you a back view. There's my iPad. Okay, and you can see, I'll zoom in on it in the computer later. Okay, and you can see, I'll zoom in on it in the computer later, and compare it with last week's video or last week's video, and perhaps the first video. I wish I'd thought of the system better before I started, so my videos would be more uniform, but I'm really just doing this off the cuff. Okay, guys, so here we go. When you put it in your head, you're supposed to go like 50%, like, jeez. Okay, like if you dab once, and then you're supposed to like go half the second time. So you're always doing each one twice, so to speak. But you know, it's really hard unless you've got somebody that will do it for you. They say not to press, but I am pressing today because I was having problems with the serum rolling off the top of my head. So at first I thought it was because I was going too fast, but now I'm thinking it's because it wasn't going in my scalp. And that's what this is all about, right? So I've got balding all the way to the front. I guess it's your standard male balding. Forget the name of it, but that's me. My mom told me that her dad had a full set of hair when he died, so I don't have to worry about balding, but, well, she was wrong. According to ChatGPT, that was an old wives' tale. And we know now that it's actually more related to your dad. Your dad's balding. It's more of a determiner than your mom's dad. Yeah, I think I'm getting less drip. And after I get done applying this, I will show you a before and after of my hair when it's wet. It looks a lot different. It's a lot easier to see the scalp when it's wet. Has anybody else seen like advertisements for Alpha Infuse in their social media feeds? Because I didn't until I did a search or a few searches on hair loss. And then after that, I started getting a lot of advertisements from many companies, actually, not just Alpha Infuse. I'm not sure why. I don't know if it's going to work, guys. I'm doing this, for all of us to see if it'll work. There was one guy on YouTube that was, I don't know, his video looked like he was sponsored, and there were a bunch of people on his comment section that were saying, oh, this is just, sponsored garbage or paid for, and this stuff doesn't work. But there was this one comment on that video that said, it worked for me. And that was it. It was just a simple comment. And then because I do YouTube, I have a travel Japan channel. So because I do that, I have a little add-on in my browser that, let me see if I can see this way. The add-on tells me like how many subscribers people that are commenting. And that guy had, a decent sized channel. The guy that made that comment that it works for him. So I'm thinking, okay, so this guy's got a hair channel, or he's doing stuff for Alpha Infuse, but it was totally unrelated. His channel was totally unrelated to hair stuff. So that kind of got me thinking that this stuff might work. So, and this channel, by the way, if you didn't know, is not solely for hair. Also, yeah, I'm starting to get drippage again, dripping off the side of my head, in front of my face. That's a lot of tonic. Okay. So, anyway, this channel is not just about hair. It's about getting my pride back altogether. I'm going to be 60 in a few months in February. And, I've gained so much weight. So that's another thing I want to do on this channel. So some diets. I've started eating sardines. So that's for another video anyway. All right, so let's check out. I guess you've already been looking at it, but this, how can I see? This is my current balding status. My scalp's red now because I've been stabbing it for the last 10-15 minutes, but wow, that's all shiny, isn't it? In Japan, there's a real stigma around balding. I mean, just saying the word hage, bald in Japanese is hage, but just that word saying hage makes kids laugh and even adults laugh sometimes. It's not a good word here. So even though there are a lot of bald businessmen here. Okay, so let me bring the camera down. Okay, so that's just about it. After you get done, you have to clean the needles like this again. I have officially gone through 4 bottles. So for my next application, I will change my my needle bottle, I think. And the instructions also say that you should at least change it after 4. So why am I cleaning this? I'm not going to use it again. Well, who knows? All right. Anyway, that's all. If you have any questions or comments, please comment and like the video, because it motivates me and keeps me going. And because it really does take, although today was faster than usual, I hope I didn't miss anything. It does take a lot of time to do the videos and to edit them, and even uploading takes time. All right, I'm done with this video. I got to get this uploaded, edited, and uploaded too. So thanks again for watching. See you in the next one.